Hey everybody, this is Rick with Scottsdale Urban Farms, Scottsdale, Arizona 85254, and we're in the process of expanding this over to here. And what we want to do is create some elegant landscaping, but we also want to create a place where we can have our melons, our cucumbers, our climbers. We're going to create a elevated garden here so that these types of climbers can climb on the wall. And we're going to go down past this bush down here, this beautiful bush, and then we're going to have it start here and then go all the way down into the corner where I just came from. And we'll head back down this way, but we're gonna take and we'll get rid of all this soil in here. We'll bring in new soil. We'll attach, still working on the design, like a 4x4 post that will come out, and then we'll take this type of